going funny again. Right there it sort of looks like Wolverine hair. Sorry, I've now just sort of given the game away. I am Hugh Jackman's replacement for Wolverine in any future X-Men film. Yep, see, hair's ready, well, half ready. Got to do the other one. Gonna be filming from today. What surprises me is just how short Wolverine's supposed to be in the comic books. As Hugh Jackman's 6 foot plus, Wolverine's barely supposed to be 5 foot or something like that. Tiny bloke. No wonder he's so angry. He's got Napoleon syndrome. Anyway, knackered. Done some core workout. Now my mouth tastes like blood. I can't keep I've drunk all my fluids to keep my fluids up, so I need to get some more fluids. Just taking a sit down, catch your breath, cool off a bit, as I am sweating quite badly. And then I need to make breakfast. Why is there even look open? There we go, open eyes. Anyway, alright, I should probably get up before I do go back to sleep. Alright, see you in a bit. Good evening! I am back in my car. My car still smells pooey. Not as bad as it did on Wednesday. So I need to clean it off. But obviously I'm not going to be able to see what I'm doing when I get back home tonight. So I need to do that either tomorrow or Sunday. And remember to bring some air freshener out with me to spray around in here. As well, I do have a couple of car air fresheners in here. They are very old ones that I got when I got this car. Over 2 years ago now. I've had this car 2 years. So, they don't smell of anything anymore. So, yeah. Be glad smell-o-vision hasn't been invented. Otherwise you'd be dealing with me smelly car now. Last thing you want on a Saturday evening, around about tea time, assuming you watch it as soon as it comes out at 6. Doubt it though. But I'm looking forward to once I've chatted a little bit, I turn on the radio, and on a Friday I've taken to listening to Radio 1 as they do the chart show, don't you know? And, a little bit younger when sort of that kind of thing was supposed to be aimed at me, didn't really do it, didn't really do charts. Occasionally, so on a Friday evening when Dad would come home, having done the shop, we would help unpack the shopping, and we'd have Top of the Pops on the TV, and then it obviously stopped because it wasn't getting the viewership. Aside from that, as well, I like music and listening to music. I'm not a huge fan. It's not like, I enjoy listening to music, but I don't think there's no one really I would actively want to be like, oh, I want to go see them, or I really have to have their album. Really, so, but it's kind of nice sort of travelling home. Seeing doing the old countdown. All the talking is a bit annoying, but they seem to do slightly less talking on the old countdown show, so yeah, it's alright. It's a bit of alright. Hopefully it'll take my mind off the pooey smell as well. Well, onto the old roundabout, pretty sharpish today. Getting round it's going to be a slightly different story by the looks of it. No, you're coming round despite the fact you weren't signalling. Naughty people not signalling. Makes it more difficult for the rest of us. Cause accidents, because people think they can go when they can't. But then it's still, a roundabout, it'd still be the person's fault who didn't give way to you, even though you weren't signalling and suggesting that you were going to go that way. Because you're a bum face. Is anyone... You know, bum-faced children is a brilliant bit of comedy from Ross Noble, completely crazy Geordie man. I've seen him live when I was up in Liverpool, you know, and at one point during that performance he was miming having sex with the poltergeist, you know, no sound, no nothing, he's just sort of like there, just sort of thrusting away, and we're all just sort of sat there in silence just sort of watching. It's really weird, but yeah, one of his stand-up shows, he has a clip on YouTube talking about children bum-faced and led on to being bullied and then going red, and then baboons wanting to have some sex with them, and child getting bummed in the face. Somehow managed to stretch that out for about 5-10 minutes. And despite how many times I watch it, I still laugh. It is, you know, really childish and really kind of sad, but I just can't help it. And it's just how enthusiastic I suppose he is, and how into it he gets. It's just brilliant. I think right now there's more sort of like comedians I'd want to go see. Like I haven't seen Russell Howard yet. I'd like to go see Russell Howard, but I've seen Ross Noble, Reginald T. Hunter, Jack Whitehall, but yeah, Russell Howard is probably top of the list. I know there's at least one, if not two others I want to see, but I can't remember. I want to see this comedian, but I can't remember who I want to see. I definitely am getting old now. But Ross Noble, I'd love to see. I'd love to go watch again. Absolutely, love to go see again. So, and now I just need to try and think of the other comedians I want to go see. I sort of would want to go see Tim Vine, but at the same time, having watched a couple of his stand-up DVDs, it's sort of like, while sort of like the puns is the kind of humour I use myself, some of the bits in there which are really odd and a bit, kind of ruin the flow of the show, so maybe not. quite an upbeat vlog. It's rather good. So I'm gonna leave you in favour of me chart show, and I'll see you tomorrow. For me, Saturday, you Sunday. Once again, we're time travelling. Alright, good night one and all.